Most marketing dashboards look impressive and change nothing. When everything is tracked, nothing is understood. Overloaded teams drown in charts that describe activity instead of revealing leverage. Real progress comes from stripping the dashboard to the few signals that actually drive decisions. Ego makes founders chase numbers that look good. Tools flood them with default metrics that create noise, and borrowed playbooks from larger companies push them toward complexity they cannot sustain. Together, these forces inflate dashboards, distort judgment, and bury the few signals that actually drive progress. Metrics exist to guide decisions, not to report success. Their purpose is to illuminate what to do next, where friction lives, and which part of the system needs attention. When teams treat metrics as scoreboards, they drift. When they treat them as decision tools, learning accelerates and progress compounds. The framework is simple. Each stage gets one primary metric that drives decisions and cuts noise. Awareness focuses on qualified reach. Acquisition tracks lead velocity rate. Activation measures the first value moment rate. Retention follows the repeat value rate. Revenue uses net new, and referral relies on referral activation. Vanity metrics can be helpful for context because they reveal patterns and prompt useful questions, but they become dangerous when treated as conclusions. They create false confidence, hide real performance issues, and distract teams from the few metrics that actually guide decisions and move the business forward. Dashboards should not exist to display data. They should force a next action. A strong dashboard highlights what matters, exposes what is slipping, and makes the required move obvious. Its job is to turn information into momentum so teams shift from watching numbers to changing outcomes with clear, immediate decisions. Dashboards should elicit action. Dashboards get distorted by three common traps. Averages hide the real story by smoothing out the spikes that matter. Cumulative totals make progress look better than it is by masking slowdowns. Lagging indicators tell you what already happened, not what to do next. These traps create false confidence and delay the decisions that actually move the system forward. Most dashboards drown in noise. An awareness dashboard might show impressions, clicks, and CPM, but none guide action. Rebuild it around one metric, for example, qualified reach. Support it with channel mix, cost per qualified reach, and message performance. The dashboard becomes a decision engine, not a display. Grab the go-to-market worksheet and put the framework to work immediately. Each stage gets one primary metric that drives the next move, not a wall of numbers. Map your stages, choose the single signal that matters, and turn the worksheet into a live operating tool that converts strategy into action today. Visit startupdna.shop for more info.